Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pool noodle lollipops. First, gather your materials. You'll need pool noodles, wooden dowels, and a hot glue gun. Don't forget cellophane bags and ribbon for the finishing touches. Selecting vibrant, colorful pool noodles will make your lollipops truly pop. This fun craft is perfect for parties or decorations, and it's surprisingly simple to create. Now let's get to shaping. Take your pool noodles and cut them into sections, about 12 inches long. Next, carefully make a spiral cut along the length of each section, creating a long strip. Once cut, begin to tightly coil the noodle strip from one end, forming a flat, circular lollipop shape. This step requires a steady hand to ensure a neat spiral. With your noodle coiled, it's time to assemble. Apply a generous amount of hot glue to the end of the coiled noodle to secure its shape. Then, carefully insert a wooden dowel into the center of the coiled base, ensuring it's firmly attached. Hold the dowel and noodle together for a few moments until the hot glue completely sets. This creates the stick for your lollipop. For the final flourish, let's wrap and decorate. Slide each completed pool noodle lollipop into a clear cellophane bag. Gather the top of the bag and tie it securely with a colorful ribbon, creating a festive bow. Now your delightful pool noodle lollipops are ready to be displayed or given as fun party favors. They add a whimsical touch to any event.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.